Hello traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, July 30th, 2013. Well, we have a mixed market with the Dow in negative territory, everybody else in positive territory. And this is after a sell-off in materials and energy shares today. There's a little bit of a shake up there in Potash, POT. Nice big drop and a big pop throughout the day. We were trading that in the Grokstar chat room today. Anyway, it looks like the NASDAQ hits a 12-year high here, but the S&P up just a fraction, Dow down about the same. And you had the NASDAQ up 0.5% with the Russells up more than 0.25%. So you have those two leading the charge. We could have some upside potential going on tomorrow, but the bank's negative territory, the VIX at break even, gold up by more than 0.25%, silver up by more than 0.5%. Crude oil down 1.24%. US dollar up 0.25% or so. Anyway, utility index 2 days in a row in bullish territory. That's a defensive sector. Taking a look here at the S&P 500 on the daily. We have this nice high base above the rising EMAs. So anything could happen here. But just know that high base is more bullish than it is bearish. But anything can in fact happen with these sideways consolidations. I do have some support here around the 1670 mark, so be watching that. It happens to be about where the rising 20-day moving average is on the S&P. The weekly chart, you'll see here that we have an inside trading week taking place so far, but we're only Tuesday, so we have a few more days. But if we could build a high base on the weekly chart, that actually gives us a chance for the monthly chart to keep heading higher. But we're coming into a lot of resistance, so certainly be watching that. And while we're here, take a quick look at the NASDAQ. You'll see that we popped up here. We do have a resistance area at 36.31, so be watching that. Anything higher than that would give us some good buying opportunities. And gold, great high base. You could actually make a purchase now with a tight stop loss with a lot of reward to risk ratio, or just wait for the pop to actually commence. And we also have the beautiful formation on a bull pullback. So we have a gap filled here with a doji at the 20-day moving average, looking for a nice entry there. Google up almost a full percent today. So we had an inverted hammer. We're at a support level. Sure enough, we're getting some movement here. Apple up 1.23%. Apple's on a tear. Facebook up a whopping 6.2% today. Big gap, boom, to the upside, just going crazy. Microsoft's also up 1% with a big-time turbulent trading day today. And I was telling everybody yesterday that things that go up fast could drop fast. So that's certainly what we're seeing here in USU. This thing went up roughly 50% yesterday, 54% I believe, and today down was 33%. So big drop here on big volume. So look for some more droppage taking place here, but if you could give ourselves a nice bull pullback, if we could get that above, say, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, there'd be a great place for a potential entry. So anyway, I'm signing off. We're over a week here. We have Miguel and Mark that'll be standing in the gap next few days as I go up to the BWCA, which is the Boundary Waters Canoe area up there in Minnesota, Ely, Minnesota. And we'll be out there in God's country. If you're a camper, or if you've been to Ely, Minnesota, and if you love being in a camp with fire, and you like the primitive camping in particular, let me know where you go, where you've been. Leave that down in the chat. I'd love to read those. So thanks in advance, Miguel and Mark, for standing in the gap, helping us out here. And Mark is coming back from vacation this next week, so he's been gone, and so is Carolina. So know that Mark's videos will be popping back up, and Carolina's videos will be popping back up. If you speak Spanish, Espanol, make sure you watch Miguel's fantastic videos, who are picking up a lot of momentum. So anyway, we have a mentorship coming up soon. This is your chance. It's actually your opportunity to turn your trading around. Let us help you. help you reach your full potential in the markets. We can certainly do that. So look us up for the mentorship. It's a 3-day immersion. Signing out. Take care and leave your comments below.